So we have a little update from Austin Forkner, and this comes from the DMXS podcast or radio, whatever you want to call it. And well, he went from questions about his brain surgery to questions about his arm, and kind of the more pressing question, or at least the thing that it needs to be sorted out quickly, is contract talks. Now, obviously, at the moment, I don't think he has a contract as far as it sounds. Um, but he was asked, well, one is Triumph, the rumor going around that Triumph is looking for him. And his answer was, well, they could be someone that is looking at me. And it's the answer you expect. If you're getting one of these people asking who you're looking at, who's talking to you, they're gonna give you the most generic beige answer possible. Yeah, it could be, oh, maybe this, maybe that. But it kind of did sound like, yes, it is somebody that is talking to him about a potential contract. He'd also went on to say he's had multiple 450 offers from a couple people, and but the way it sounds at least is he's looking for a 250 contract for next year and then a 450 for the year after. And it's kind of funny. He goes in and he's talking about like, oh well, there's the little thing that if I won the 250 championship next year, they might, somebody might want me to defend, and oh, running the number one plate, how horrible that would be. It's the funny thing of like, yeah, if you win the 250 or you win a 250 championship, why would you not? Well, it kind of depends on his age. He's 26 now, so if he next year will be 27, and then the year after that will be 28, he'll start kind of looking into like Christian Craig numbers, getting into the 450s and almost your 30s. But I mean, for him, I think the bigger thing at this point would be to actually just finish a season. That would be the biggest thing. What doesn't matter if you win or not. If you can show that you're still quick, you're, a top 3 guy, it's probably better off than just looking like you're going to win championship and then get injured again, because at this point it's going to be very difficult, I think, to get a multi-year contract when you're almost 27, 28 in the 250 class of all things. Like, this is what we're talking about with people, like, not sandbagging, but just being in it for way too long. This is supposed to be the quote unquote feeder class, the one that people race in for a few years and then move up for the 450s, or you get selected out basically. But I don't know, for him it would probably be good. Change the scenery, go to Triumph if anything, get a 250 and see if they have a 450 developed for the year after that and see where it goes. But I mean, it's good to hear from him at least. You have some sort of idea what's going on, some sort of update about what's being talked about. And obviously, like I think he said in this, more than anything, he's looking at wanting it to be a 2-year contract because he's having a kid, he's married, he wants, that sort of, I don't want to say protection, but that kind of security about, being able to put food on the table and whatever. But I don't know. You guys tell me, comments down below. Do you think, one, he would entertain the Triumph thing? Would you want to see him go there? Do you think it'd be a good idea for him? Change of scenery, change of bike, a little bit of a development. You can help a team grow, and they might be, I don't want to say beholden, but they might be, happy with that to move up to a 450 when they have one developed. And I don't know. You tell me what you guys think. Do you think he stays with Pro Circuit? Should he stay with Pro Circuit? I mean, they've already funneled a ton of money into him for this point, so I don't know. You guys tell me. 250s, 450s, Triumphs, Pro Circuit, Kawasaki, wherever you should go. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, comment down there, I should say. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.